How to fix we can't activate Windows on this device or we can't connect to organization error. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you fix the we can't activate Windows on this device or we cannot connect to organization error. This states that the device cannot connect to your organization. If you're encountering the same problem, I'll guide you through the solution with a few simple steps. First of all, navigate to your Windows search bar and type cmd and run it as an administrator. Once the command prompt is open, enter the command sfc/scan now. This command will scan for integrity violations and corrupted files on your PC, completing the verification process to 100%. After this, go to the Windows bar and search cmd and again run it as an administrator. Once it's open, paste the provided command and press enter. You'll receive a message something like this stating that key management service machine name not set. Click on OK, then copy the second command, paste it and press OK. This process may take some time and you will receive a message indicating successful product activation. After this, press OK and close the window. And the work is done. Following this, simply restart your computer to see the changes. This is how you can fix we can't activate Windows on this device or we can't connect to the organization error. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.